The government of Meghalaya has announced that it will conduct a statewide civil defense mock drill on the 7th of May 2025 as part of its ongoing efforts to strengthen disaster preparedness and enhance public safety. The exercise will take place in key districts including Shillong, Jowai and Tura. Scheduled to begin at 4 p.m., the drill will see air raid sirens activated at 6:30 p.m. followed by a 2-minute power shutdown or blackout to simulate wartime conditions where vital infrastructure may need to be concealed. The purpose of this mock drill is to test the state's emergency response mechanisms and to prepare both authorities and the public for any potential threats. The main objectives of the mock drill are to test and improve key areas of emergency response. First, the exercise will focus on assessing the effectiveness of air raid warning systems, ensuring that sirens and communication channels are functioning properly to alert both the public and authorities during a crisis. Additionally, the drill will simulate a blackout scenario by implementing a 2-minute power shutdown. This will allow officials to evaluate how critical infrastructure responds under wartime conditions. Another key aim is to educate the public, including school children, on emergency response protocols and civil defense measures. The drill will also involve practicing evacuation procedures, ensuring that emergency services are capable of efficiently carrying out rescue and evacuation operations under pressure. These objectives are designed to strengthen the state's readiness in handling potential emergency situations. Control rooms will also be activated to ensure seamless coordination among emergency services. Authorities have assured that the exercise is purely a simulation and there is no cause for alarm. Residents are encouraged to stay calm and follow the procedures outlined during the drill. This mock exercise is expected to improve Meghalaya's preparedness in handling emergency situations and will provide valuable insights into how the state can better respond to crises. For more information, citizens are advised to visit the official website of the Meghalaya Home Guards.